Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're exploring the word alone, an A2 level adjective that means without anyone else or by oneself. This is a very common word in English, and understanding its meaning and uses will help you feel more confident when you hear or use it. Alone is used to describe situations where a person or thing is separate or apart from others. For example, if you say, "I like being alone sometimes," it means you enjoy spending time by yourself without other people around. Some synonyms for alone include solitary, by oneself, and on one's own. For instance, you could say, "She prefers a solitary walk in the evening," or "He enjoys working by himself in the garden." These words and phrases express a similar idea of being without company or assistance. On the other hand, antonyms of alone are words like together, accompanied, or with others. For example, instead of "she sat alone at lunch," you might say, "She sat together with her friends at lunch." These words emphasize being in the presence of others rather than by oneself. In everyday life, we use alone quite often. For instance, if someone asks, "Are you coming to the party alone?" they're asking if you'll attend without bringing someone with you. Or you might hear, "Sometimes it's nice to spend a quiet evening alone at home." It's a word that fits both casual and formal situations. Here are a few examples of alone in sentences. He walked alone through the park after dinner. Being alone doesn't always mean being lonely. I left her alone in the room, so she could focus on her work. Each of these sentences shows how alone can describe a physical or emotional state. To wrap up, alone means being without anyone else or by oneself. It has synonyms like solitary, by oneself, and on one's own, and antonyms like together, accompanied, or with others. It's a versatile and essential word for expressing moments of solitude or independence. Thank you for listening to this episode of Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others discover the show. And here's your challenge. Create your own sentence using the word alone and share it as a comment. I can't wait to read what you come up with.
See you next time.